Getting rich doesn't mean working non-stop. I will show you 5 ways to earn income online passively. Let's dive in. Let's talk about dropshipping. It's an e-commerce model where you sell products without keeping them in stock. When a customer orders, you forward it to a supplier and they ship it directly to the buyer. Why do so many businesses love it? Because you skip costs like warehouses, storage, and unsold inventory. That's why dropshipping already powers over $370 billion in e-commerce sales every year. Suppliers handle the heavy lifting. They source products, store them, package, and ship. You can work with individual suppliers, big platforms like AliExpress, or even manufacturers. And the best part? Tools like SpreadSimple make launching your store fast and affordable. Plus, you can fully automate the process. This no-code builder uses Google Sheets. Just add your product, customize your design, and you're ready to sell. So, if you want to start an online business with low risks and no big upfront costs, dropshipping could be your perfect entry point. If you've got photography skills, stock photography can be a fantastic passive income stream. Here's how it works. You upload your photos to stock platforms, and every time a brand, agency, or creator licenses your image, you earn a commission. Some of the biggest sites to check out are LME, Shutterstock, Getty Images, iStock, Adobe Stock, and Unsplash Plus. Each has its own rules, but payouts range from about 15 up to 100% of the sale. Now here's the good news. You do not need expensive studios, models, or branded clothes. In fact, candid photos often sell better than posed ones. Think everyday themes, landscapes, architecture, tech, food, or even something to illustrate environmental issues. The key is quality. Upload sharp, high-resolution images and let them work for you over and over again. Another powerful way to earn passive income online is affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. Instead of creating your own product, you promote someone else's. You join an affiliate program like Shopify, Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, Teachable, Skillshare. Grab your unique affiliate link and share it with your audience through a blog, social media, YouTube, or even email. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple as that. The key is creating content that feels helpful, not pushy. Think product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations that genuinely add value. Done right, affiliate marketing can turn your content into a steady stream of passive income without the hassle of inventory, shipping, or customer service. By the way, SpreadSimple also has an affiliate program where you can earn 30% commission just by recommending SpreadSimple to your network. Monetize your knowledge by writing a book, travel guides, or any kind of content. This is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to generate passive income. You put in effort once, planning, writing, and publishing, and then your work can keep selling for years, even decades. The real secret? Promotion. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok let you showcase your work to a huge audience and keep those sales coming in long after launch. So, if you've got knowledge, experience, or even a story worth sharing, turning it into a good read could be your long-term passive income stream. And do not assume that it has to be something massive like Lord of the Rings. Identify your strengths. Maybe you are good at writing short stories for kids, textbooks, guides on fashion, architecture, or photography. The topic doesn't matter as long as the content quality is good. You can even go a step further and create your own online course. Of course, it may take some extra effort like adding audio or video materials, but the stronger the structure, the higher your chances of selling it again and again. And if you want your product to look presentable, check out SpreadSimple templates. Not every passive income idea requires years of experience. If photography, writing, or online courses aren't your thing, you can still sell digital products. Digital products are items that exist only online, like music, videos, software, AI-generated content, or even virtual goods in games and the metaverse. The beauty is you create it once and sell it over and over again with almost no overhead costs. That's why digital products are booming. In 2025 alone, they generated over $124 billion. You do not need warehouses, shipping, or inventory. Selling can be as simple as listing them on Shopify, digital marketplaces, or social media storefronts. Just choose a niche that isn't oversaturated, create something useful, and you're set. Yeah, there are challenges like competition from free products or privacy, but with the right niche and marketing, digital products can be one of the most profitable and scalable forms of passive income today. Create a website for selling digital products with SpreadSimple in minutes. Check out our YouTube tutorial. So whether it's dropshipping, stock photography, or writing, there are countless ways to build passive income streams online. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!